Okay, let's take a look at this YIJC question again. Topic 6, motion in circle. Okay, do you understand what it means by banking?
Yeah, definitely.
Tilting is one. Why does a pilot tilt?
Return.
That's the only way for a plane to turn.
Yeah.
Planes got no wheels in the air, so you can't use the
Yeah.
wheels to make a turn. Okay? So for this kind of question, if you're stuck, few things to keep in mind. What are you given? What is this here? Hmm. Okay, what are you given here? Speed of 360 kilometers per hour. What's that? In terms of all the circular motion formula and questions that you have had before, all the concepts, what is this? What is a symbol that you should consider? Speed.
Yeah.
What is the symbol?
V.
V. Okay. What is this here? Radius 5 km. What is this? What's the symbol?
And then we need the R.
So you're given V, you're given R. All right. Now, in terms of the formula, circular motion formula, what should you consider? Which formula got M, got V, got R?
Centrifugal.
So what is the formula?
F equals mv v square over R.
So FC equals to mv squared over R.
Yeah.
Okay?
So just plug in.
So what are you given? Okay. So your FC is in the free body diagram. So you're given a free body diagram here. What's your FC?
Centrifugal force, which is 90-degree horizontal to the left. Double arrow.
So you can draw a FC double arrow here.
Yeah.
Okay, again, FC is not a real force. FC is a net force. Okay, your lift force will then have to provide for the net force. For the FC. Your lift force over here does two things. Provides for the FC and it provides for the weight. Okay, so that's how pilots make a turn. When the lift force is tilted at an angle, it will allow to provide a centrifugal force, causing the plane to turn. Okay, so what does your lecturer say? Hint, you will need to resolve the lift force into horizontal and vertical components. So let's do it. Lift force has a symbol called L. So if you resolve in terms of horizontal, what do you get? Lift force has a letter, it's called L. So horizontally, what do you have? You will have L sine theta because you're resolving horizontally.
Yeah.
L sine theta will then be equal to what?
mv square over
mv squared over r. The reason being is because the horizontal component of the lift force provides the centripetal force. So this is not a real force, it's a net force. So this is actually Newton's second law. F net equals to ma. In this case, the ma is your FC. Okay? So vertically, let's look at the vertical. So when you are at this point and you're like, hey, I've got so many unknowns. I can't solve. No. You can. All right, you just got to keep going. Okay, keep in mind you got your V here. So you have your V, you have your R. You don't know your M, so put a question mark. You don't know your theta. Theta is what you need to find. So put an arrow there. That's your goal. You don't know your L, so you put a question mark. Okay? And what about vertical?
Yes, L cosine theta equals mg.
L cosine theta equals to mg, because you're looking at the vertical direction. Okay? So, very interestingly, again, in the world of A-level physics, you have something called division, very beautifully done. You can actually divide the two equations by each other. Okay, so let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. 1/2 will give you what? L and L will then cancel. Sine theta over cosine theta is straight away tangent theta. N and M cancel as well. So what are you left with? V squared over RG. Okay?
Okay.
So do you have your V?
Yeah.
Do you have your R?
Yeah.
Do you have a G?
Yeah.
What about theta? You don't have your theta. But that's what you need to find. So you can find your theta from there. Now in this case, you need to tangent inverse. Huh? Now, another thing, question I want to ask you, I want you to check, did you convert your units? Because you have a kilometers per hour here, and you have a kilometers here. Did you convert your units?
Meters.
SI units only. Okay, it must all be in SI unit. Meters per second and meters. So do it, and you should be able to get the answer for this one.